Introduce Lammoto VAS Pro, a dual 1080-pixel full-color night vision system and Dashcam to let you drive safe at night. 8-inch high-resolution screen, 2.5D process technology, high-quality requirement. Support 128G storage. One-time record up to 30 hours, then automatically renew. With Sony CMOS chip and 7-layer glass lens, Lammoto VAS Pro can capture clear view even in darkness and make it just as daylight. The night view distance can be up to 300 meters and let you have 2 to 3 more seconds to act. Bad weather? No problem. In rainy, foggy or snowy day, Lammoto VAS Pro still can offer excellent view. 2 ways to power on. Connect with OBD or the cigarette lighter. Then it can work. 2 ways installation. Lammoto VAS Pro can fit any car. To make a living, most of the time we are on the way. Lammoto VAS Pro can work all the time. For some people, they may have difficulties to drive at night, but with Lammoto VAS Pro, they will not miss the important time in life.
Grandpa! Hi, I can drive at night now. I won't miss your bird puppy anymore.
If we say, also need to make sure the security. One click to turn off the screen, but the cameras always work. Drive at night. Not only need to focus on the way, but also need to be cautious about unexpected conditions, such as wild animal. 45-degree front camera makes sure all clear on the way, and 170-degree 1080-pixel rear view camera can record all the things when parked. We're always on the way. Lammoto VAS Pro will always guide you.
Yes, I arrived safely.
The ZEUS Smart Vehicle Health Monitor actively monitors your car's engine and internal systems. Simply plug it in under your dashboard and sync to the free ZEUS Smart Driving Assistant app. Hit Scan, and the ZEUS Safety Center will scan your vehicle for any issues, so that you won't find yourself stuck on the side of the road. As you drive, the ZEUS app continues to gather data and monitor your vehicle. If your check engine light comes on, the ZEUS app can help you understand what's wrong in simple terms and how to fix it. Clear the light yourself for minor issues. Hit the road with confidence, knowing that ZEUS has your back.
Qi Wireless Fast Charge charges 40% faster than a standard wireless charge. Check your smartphone's compatibility to ensure it has wireless fast charge available. The built-in cooling fan helps to counteract heat generated from wireless charging. We include 2 base options. The short base is flexible for curved surfaces and regular-sized smartphones. The tall base is rigid for flat surfaces and is designed for larger smartphones. Simply unscrew the adjustment knob and swap out the base. Replace the adjustment knob and tighten. The device must be powered on to determine optimal metal plate position. Generally, a stable charging connection can be found on the center of the phone. Take note of the area that receives a charge. peel cover off the metal plate and place onto phone or case. Press and rub the metal plate to ensure firm adhesive grip. Place phone back onto charger to make sure it's properly charging. Put phone and mount in desired location. Press and rub around the base. Let mount sit for 30 minutes before mounting smartphone. Inside the iTap Wireless are 4 super strong rare earth magnets, which hold your smartphone steady and allow you to transition easily from portrait to landscape. To mount on the windshield, follow the same steps, and make sure to test the location before mounting. With IATI's Drive Smarter app, always locate where you last parked. You can also save a photo and note to make sure you're never lost. We recommend you use the tall base for desk mounting. Connect the mount to a USB fast charging power adapter. Do not connect to a computer or laptop. This will not provide an adequate charge.